secret for long and happy life. Pakinggan po niyo to. For a long and happy life, number 1, eat half. Yun. Diet. Yung kinakain mo, hatiin mo lang yan. It'll be long and happy life. Nwari, kaya mo isang lechon, kalahati lang. Ganun ba? You know, a lot of our sickness is because of the food we eat. Number 2, walk double. Galaw, exercise. Walking is good for the health. You know, I was sharing kanina with Father, we have an auntie, she started walking at the age of 65. Up to now, she's still walking. We don't know where she is. Please call us, huh? Okay. That brings me to number 3. Laugh triple. Tumawa ka. Some of you have not laughed for 1 month already. Kahit walang nakakatawa, kahit mag-isa ka lang, go ahead, tumawa ka. 11th commandment, don't take yourself too seriously. That's your problem.